Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming power and a clean fit. First, insert a fresh battery or place the behind-the-ear unit on its charger until it reads full. This prevents mid-session dropouts. Then inspect the ear mold and tubing for wax or moisture and clear it so sound pathways are open. Once done, attach the aid to your ear and set the program and volume conservative, low enough to avoid feedback, high enough to hear soft speech. This establishes a safe baseline for adjustments. You now refine sound and placement to match your listening needs. In a quiet room, slowly increase volume by 1 notch until speech is clear but not distorted. This prevents sudden loudness that causes discomfort. Make small rotates and pushes to the ear mold for a secure seal, and angle the microphone for frontal sounds. If your device has an app or program toggles, choose noise reduction or speech focus to reduce background hiss. These settings improve clarity in real situations. You finish by verifying performance in everyday tasks and securing the device. Walk through a quick test, hold a conversation, listen to TV, and step into a street environment to confirm program changes help. Clip the aid to clothing and tuck tubing to avoid tugging, which keeps the seal intact. If feedback, weak sound, or dropout occurs, first swap the battery or recharge, then reseat the ear mold and clean the receiver inlet. If problems persist, contact your hearing professional for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.